In the quiet corners of the universe, a new dread was taking root. It wasn't loud or chaotic, but a low, static hum that vibrated through the very soul of the cosmos. On the cliffs of New Asgard, Thor Odinson felt it. For years, he had found a fragile peace, raising Gor's daughter, love, and watching over his people. The ghosts of his past Loki, his parents, and Tony Stark still lingered, but the thunder had finally quieted in his heart. That is, until the calm was shattered. The sky tore open, a sick green gash, spitting out a metallic soldier cloaked in green. Dumbot, its voice, cold and automated, echoed across the land. Surrender to the mercy of doom, or face erasure. Thor, grabbing Stormbreaker, had heard enough speeches from would-be. With a roar, he launched himself into the sky, smashing the bot to pieces. But as it fell, thousands more poured through the rift. The war for all of existence had begun. The Avengers, scattered across the globe, reformed at the ruins of their old compound. Doctor Strange, his cloak frayed from battles across the multiverse, painted a grim picture. This wasn't just an invasion. It was an incursion. Another universe was crashing into theirs, led by a man named Dr. Doom who claimed to be a savior. He promised to save reality by destroying every other one to forge his own. We stop him. Sam Wilson, the new Captain America, said with unwavering resolve. As the figure on the balcony removed his iron mask, Thor's heart stopped. The face was older, scarred, and cold, but it was undeniably Tony Stark's. "This isn't our Tony," Strange explained softly. "He's a variant. A Stark who never became Iron Man. Instead, he became a sorcerer, a tyrant, a doom, rage, and grief warred within Thor. The hero who saved them all was gone, and this imposter wearing his face was a desecration of his memory. "I will kill him," Thor vowed, his voice a low thunder. "I will not let him tarnish my friend's legacy." The plan was desperate. While Cap led the defense on Earth, a strike team Thor, Doctor Strange, and Captain Marvel would assault Doom's fortress floating in the void between realities. Inside, the fortress was a nightmare of magic and technology. Spider-Man swung through corridors, quipping, "Guys, seeing Mr. Stark's tech mixed with wizard stuff is really messing with my head." They burst into the throne room. There he sat, Dr. Doom, the wizard, the spider, the cosmic battery, and his cold eyes found Thor, the thunder god. Thor demanded he stand down. "You wear the face of a hero, but you carry the stench of a monster." Doom rose, his green cloak billowing. "Stark was a man limited by morality. I am unburdened. I have seen the death of 1,000,000,000,000 universes. Only I can stitch them together." The fight was brutal. Doom dismantled them with chilling efficiency. He drained Captain Marvel's energy and outmaneuvered Strange's every spell. Thor, summoning the full might of the Odin force, struck with a bolt of lightning that cracked the fortress itself. But Doom was always a step ahead, blasting Thor through pillar after pillar. Lying broken on the floor, Thor looked up at Doom, who placed a boot on his chest. "You cling to the past, Odinson. In my world, Thor died because he was weak. Are you weak?" But as Thor looked at the face of his friend, he remembered Tony's sacrifice. "I am not just the god of thunder," Thor growled, summoning both Mjolnir and Stormbreaker to his hands. "I am the All-Father." He rose, a king cloaked in lightning. He fought not with anger, but with purpose to protect his friend's memory. As Doom prepared a final, reality-ending spell, shouting, "I am inevitable," Thor had his answer. "No," he said, raising Stormbreaker. "Thanos was inevitable. You're just a man in a metal suit." He brought the axe down, not on Doom, but on the reality anchor behind him. The machine exploded, and the fortress began to crumble. The Avengers escaped just in time as the incursion halted. We will face this doom together. He remembered his brother's words. My brother once told me the sun would shine on us again. For a long time, I didn't believe him. But now I see it. We are the sun, strange, and we will burn away the darkness. With that, the Bifrost carried him home. The god of thunder had returned, and he was ready for whatever came next.